Science keeps changing. Textbooks get updated. Theories get replaced. But the Quran? It hasn't changed in over 1,400 years. So here's the real question. Why does science change, but the Quran doesn't? Stay with me. Science is one of humanity's greatest tools. It helps us understand the universe, the human body, and the laws of nature. But science has one important feature. It evolves. What scientists believed 100 years ago is often outdated today. New tools bring new data. Old ideas are corrected or replaced. This is not a weakness. This is how science works. Now compare that with the Quran. The Quran was revealed more than 14 centuries ago, yet its core message, statements about nature and worldview, remain unchanged. So why this difference? Let's start with science. Science is based on observation and experimentation. Humans observe the world, form theories, and test them. When better evidence appears, science updates itself. For example, people once believed the Earth was the center of the universe. Later, that idea changed. Medicine once relied on theories that are now considered wrong. They were replaced with better understanding. Science grows by admitting what it got wrong. Now let's look at the Quran. The Quran does not present itself as a scientific textbook. It does not explain equations or lab methods. Instead, it presents statements of reality. When it mentions nature, the universe, or human creation, it does so in a way that remains accurate across time. Take examples like the expansion of the universe, the development of the human embryo, the balance of nature, the order in creation. As science advances, these verses don't need correction. They simply become clearer. This is the key difference. Science is human discovery. The Quran claims to be divine knowledge. Science searches for truth. The Quran presents truth. That is why science keeps changing. It is always catching up. The Quran does not change because it is not discovering. It is declaring. Some people ask, if science changes, doesn't that mean it will one day contradict the Quran? History shows the opposite. Whenever science makes real progress, it moves closer to what the Quran already stated. Early science doubted many things. Modern science confirms them. This doesn't mean science is wrong. It means science is learning. The Quran does not compete with science. It challenges humans to think. Again and again, the Quran invites reflection. Look at the universe. Look at creation. Use reason. One influence uses it. Islam never asked people to stop thinking. It asked them to think deeply. That's why many early scientists were Muslims. They didn't see science as a threat to faith. They saw it as a path to understanding creation. So why doesn't the Quran change? Because truth does not need revision. Human understanding grows. Divine knowledge does not. Science updates its models. The Quran waits for humanity to catch up. This is why even today, a book revealed in the desert centuries ago continues to challenge modern thinkers, not by changing, but by remaining the same. If science keeps changing and the Quran doesn't, what does that tell us? Like this video if it made you think. Subscribe to Ayat and Atoms for more science and faith content. Comment below. Does science follow truth or discover it?